Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? I hope all are fine. I am Munmun Nahar, lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. Today I will solve a board question which came in Jashore Board 2019 and question now 2. So let's start. Here you can see a stamp. Now I read. From the discussion of the teacher in ICT class, Raj learned that in a system of data communication, data is transmitted character by character, and in another system, data is transmitted in the form of block. He arranges a wireless internet connection in his house, and as a result, he is able to use high-speed internet. A. What is cloud computing? B. Explain the medium of data transfer in light signal. C. What is the technology used in the internet connection system mentioned in the stem? Explain. D. Which of the two transmission systems used in the stem in more scale? Analyze and give your opinion. First, knowledge-based question. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is such as a computing technology which can control and save data and application by using internet or central remote server. That means cloud is not a technology. It is rather a business model. By cloud computing, several new and old technologies are sent to the users by a special marketing policy. Buyers who need computer for a little time without much expense. They can rent a computer or a storage by cloud computing from cloud server. Now, comprehensive type question. B. Explain the medium of data transfer in light signal. The cable that is used to send data at light signal is fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable is made up of dielectric material which is a fiber that can transport light. Data reaches from origin to destination by total internal reflection method since the speed of light is higher than speed of electron. So, it is possible to send highest amount of data and highest speed via fiber optic cable. C. What is the technology used in the internet connection system mentioned in the stem? Explain. The technology used in the internet connection system mentioned in the stem is known as Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a popular wireless networking technology that uses radio wave in wireless high-speed internet and connection. It is a wireless LAN standard that is called IEEE 802.11 technically. Wi-Fi enabled devices like laptop, video, game console, smartphone or digital audio player can be connected with internet through wireless network access point. Area that is within Wi-Fi network for internet access is called hotspot. The data communication speed of it is very slow and security system is weak. Wi-Fi hotspot is a certain place which is richly supported by accessible wireless network from where using internet access is very easy with the help of the connected devices. Laptop or desktop which has Wi-Fi device can easily be connected to Wi-Fi hotspot. So the internet connection of laptop or desktop can be used through Wi-Fi to other devices which also have same Wi-Fi connection. Now number 4, D. Higher ability question. D. Which of the two transmission system used in the stem is more scale? Analyze and give your opinion. The two transmission system used in the STEM is synchronous transmission system and asynchronous transmission system. Between them, synchronous transmission system is more skilled than the asynchronous transmission system. Asynchronous transmission is simple and inexpensive to implement, but it has slow transfer rates, typically up to 56 kilobit per second. Whereas synchronous transmission is more efficient, as little as only 4 bytes are required to transmit up to 64 kilobits. That's why it is used in fast transfer rates, typically up to 100 Mbps. Synchronous transmission method that uses synchronized clock to ensure both the sender and receiver are synchronized to transmit data. And asynchronous transmission method that sends data using flow control rather than using a synchronous clock to transmit data between the source and the destination. And synchronized transmission sends block or frames of data. And asynchronous transmission sends 1 byte or character. Synchronous transmission is fast and asynchronous transmission slower due to the extra bit and the gaps. Synchronous transmission needs a common clock signal or some way of sharing it, and asynchronous transmission is cheap and easy to implement, no clock sharing. Synchronous may have to wait verify until data and can be sent. Our asynchronous transmission system cannot transmit when ready. Almost all parallel transmission is synchronous. So between them, synchronous transmission system is more skilled than the asynchronous transmission system. You understood my lecture. See you next class. Stay home, stay safe.